Oh, one of them's running for the generator.
They're out front already?
Yep.
I'm coming, I'm close by.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the one that's going for the generator, and then the one is going back there. I think I got it. Okay. Yeah, watch your area, because they could be trying to turn off the,
I missed. Damn it.
Yeah.
Come on. Alright, heavy slash, heavy slash.
One just ran down the basement.
That one running out the front door.
I got one running out the back here.
Alright.
I got her like a fish.
Fuck, right off, dude.
What?
He punched me when I should have slashed him down.
She was up here hiding in a freezer.
Alright, I think this guy's trying to bait me to chase him and avoid the generator so they can turn it on and then he'll run out the gate.
Is anybody else out there?
No. I don't think.
I'll go check the generator. This back door's still locked, so.
Alright, you can come to the generator. Oh yeah, there's one on it. I see them. I knew that was the play. I knew it. I stopped her though. They're both running. Oh, they stabbed me. They're on the generator, guys. If you can get over here, I'm wounded. I should be able to get her
Did they
before.
get it off?
Into that.
Nope. I got one. Leland's running around here somewhere.
Yeah, I think I see him. He's still kicking the generator.
Are you serious? His friend's getting executed right next to him. There you go, bastard. I knew what you guys were up to. I knew it. I'm gonna come back out front, Dustin, if you wanna come back here. Wait, I see her, I see her. She's in the house. She's in the house. She just closed the back blue door. I'm gonna go up front, I think. Yeah, she's by Grandpa right now. Are you around there, Dustin?
Yep.
While you're fighting her, maybe I can get in there fast enough to steal it from you.
Oh, I slashed her. I slashed her, but then she hit me again. What the hell?
I'm coming.
Where'd you go? Up the stairs?
No, she went through here. She's hiding behind the door. Oh shit, another closed door. It's gonna be hard to tell where she went.
We're gonna have to track her.
Oh wait, she is leaving a blood trail. She's out back, I think. Yeah, she's...
Yeah, she's out back and she's in those bushes back by the house. Yep, she's over there.
There we go. I think we got them all, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Because I only have one computer, I don't really want to deal with that stuff. Ah, shit. What the fuck? I think I just locked myself out and locked the hitchhiker in the basement. Oh, no, come off it. This bullshit again. Just kill me.
Honey, are you being chased?
Please survive. Please. No! I will live, but not well.
I'd
Well,
run, Clayton, if I was you. The hitchhiker's following me, boy.
He closed the door. He just wants us stuck down here, I guess. He just closed the door on you, Dustin. Hey, this one's
One
open.
of them was just there. Yeah, one of them was just here. Let me heal
shit.
you. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There
There we go.
Yeah.
Damn, get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna die.
Maybe we want to find a different door, actually.
I'm down. I'm down. I'm dead.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, that's still yellow. They're definitely around up there.
Alright. Now, if they're up there, we just fucked ourselves because I
Yep.
watched that door.
Yeah, let's just hope they don't see. Oh, no noise.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
That's the best.
Sissy's up there. Oh my god, I can hear her. She can probably see you.
You're down? Oh, no.
Chainsaw's up there too, I think. I can hear him. God
Oh,
damn
she's
it.
coming
he's
down?
coming behind you, I bet.
I think she's coming down.
Let's get out of here anyway. Alright, here's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to open every door and then just pick one at some point. No noise.
Ooh, no
No
sound.
noise. Crouch though, we got bones here. I'm thinking we should turn left and just try to get out the back gate.
Yep.
See, this is the door I opened up. It's the best
There's a
one.
trap, there's a trap!
No. Oh. Fuck. Oh, you're watching?
Shit, man.
Oh. She got me.
Oh, what the fuck, hitchhiker? Get out of here, man! Are they in a party? Because they're all in the same spot at all times.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. What the fuck, man? It's like they know where every
should
exit
not
is and
have
they're just
moved.
watching.
Oh, that's horrible.
Oh, I'm dead. Bleed out. What a way to go.
Did you find a doorway out?
Yeah, just open one.
Okay. I think.
It leads up the stairs
That's near
directly
me.
into the house. Oh, a trap. Leatherface is at the top of the stairs. The hitchhiker's there. Oh my god. Yeah, that fucking sucked.
Did they get you?
Instant death. Yeah, all three of them are there.
I hate that. I hate the house level.
Alright, Connie, look out for that trap that got me, for fuck's sake. Oh, she walked right into it.
I'm just gonna go for it and just go up the way that's already open. It's
Well,
like
they
the
know
only
where
door I can
Connie
find.
is, so... Oh, you know where she is, too. She's heading back down. Is this door locked? Oh, the cook's coming. Oh, Leatherface. They're all on her. They're all on her.
Oh,
So...
okay.
Oh, you're walking into it! Look! Why did you do that?
Was there a way out here?
Not really, Well, I mean, there is, but I couldn't direct you.
The house is hard to get
God.
through.
This was such a bad game, holy shit.
What the hell's he even using? What is that?
I think it's a
Sausage?
broken...
What's he hit you with?
I think it's a broken broomstick.
Looks like a fucking candle.
Oh my god, why was my chainsaw off? What the fuck?
You probably didn't start it.
I didn't... It didn't burn out. Oh, I'm glitched, I think. What the hell? Yeah, I just started doing the fast run, too, and I wasn't pressing the button. Are you fucking kidding me? That missed. Got one running in the house.
I'll put my tracker on. My trapper keeper. What?
Trapper keeper.
Oh, I might as well feed Grandpa while I'm over here, actually.
Yeah, I'm feeding him right now. I'm gonna go downstairs with Sissy. I have a feeling they're all down there, but it's so easy to get tricked.
So we'll have him up to 5 in no time.
Yep.
He's already at level 4.
Can I lock this one? No. I got a hit. Got a hit on one. Damn, slow down, slow down. Damn it. Okay, ran her into Sissy though, so she should be able to get her. Yeah, I think Sissy killed that one. Yep. Alright, look around.
There's 2 of them in the house. They're coming out the back near me. I
Yeah, they're
think.
the only ones even
Or
left.
left by
They
Grandpa.
stabbed Grandpa.
Killing
They
Grandpa.
stabbed him.
I'm just gonna fucking come through the back, I think. Instead of walking around to the front.
Alright, I kill Connie. What's this shite
Nuisance
game?
Bone?
No, not Super Nuisance. What's that game you're not cool enough to play, Beatrice?
So, have you seen the other one?
PC cheating. No, I didn't see him yet. Basement exit's open, so that's where he's gonna go.
Oh, they got the thing, so should we go downstairs?
Should try, I guess, but... Oh, I think I just saw him.
I see Sissy.
Yeah, those bones were him.
I don't see Bones.
Or what's that, Sissy? What?
Sissy's down here.
Yeah. You know where the door is? The exit? It's probably where you're heading, is it? Oh, there he is.
I have no idea.
Oh, he got it.
That bit.
Motherfucker.
Who's using Sunny? Is it you, Clayton?
Yes, it's me. I'm running.
Motherfucker, man! Get away from me.
Thanks for
Fuck.
not giving me a shout out, Dustin. Not giving me the warning.
I didn't know.
Oh my fuck.
I'm here getting a lockpick. I have no idea where you're even at.
Holy shit, that was the scariest fucking...
Lock! No! No! Come on!
Oh.
Hey, don't do that.
Oh, you fucking bitch, man. I go from such a perfect performance to this crap.
Oh, there he is. I sees him.
Fuck, I am almost dead. Shit. I feel like I
He's
might
on
be
his
in
way here.
danger.
You
I can't
definitely
see.
are.
Oh, come on. Fuck off. I'm going to pee. Damn.
Fucking Jesus Christ, now! I'm dead. I'm so fucking dead.
It's okay. I made it. I'm not dead.
You made it where?
I don't know.
Oh my god, they're all on me! Fucking bitches!
Well, just don't come towards me.
Oh, what long since gone? Just there we go. There we go, going.
I'm first.
Uh-oh, Dustin. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I gotta turn up some brightness there.
Oh,
God. I sneezed
no.
my lock
Oh,
picking
God.
skills.
Oh well.
Smoked them. Oh shit!
At least that's ready. I guess for somebody.
Well, Kim's the only one left, and
Over his
she's camping the fuse door, it looks like. So.
Well,
But
like,
I don't know. Oh.
I'm put on FPS.
Changing this to a first person shoot. Oh my god, he knew exactly where you were. What the fuck?
Kim's fucked. Now there's no maps.
Gate's gotta be locked.
We just remember where this shit is.
Are they locked?
Everything's locked up here.
Oh.
Oh my god, you're just
Okay,
gonna
the
drag it
bandit.
out. The well. Yep, there she goes.
What? Damn. This is horrible. Maybe I should just let them kill me.
I'm in that camp, yeah. I didn't get to do anything this game. To watch
Yeah.
you hide the basement.
It's fair, you know. Yeah.
Uh-oh, there's Johnny.
Oh.
Okay, alright. Alright.
Alright. Okay. Alright. I was just trying to get him, but alright.
Well,
Oh.
Leatherface really wanted you.
Apparently.
Horrible advice, Children. Look what you did. You told her to go down the well and that happened. We can
A
pin it
whale.
on. We can pin it on him. Alright, I'm gonna ready up on Connie. Just this once for Evan here.
Oh, fuck you.
Bitch.
Before.
Did you
God
hear me
damn.
or did you see it on the screen?
I seen it on the screen.
That was good.
Fuck's sake.
Fuck you from
Thank
the
you.
distance.
Yeah. Oh, fuck you.
I think I'm with Evan,
Oh. Yeah.
and he's making a lot of noise, the bastard.
It always makes
I
a lot
usually
of
just
noise.
do. Get up there. Fuck it. Get away.
Fucking stupid.
Oh my god, I dropped into a lockpick box. What lock?
Oh, did he just hit
Oh
the...
my god, come on, man.
Oh my god, one of them's down here.
Jesus!
Johnny guy. Ah!
Oh no! You're just running everywhere. I'm running upstairs. Oh, fuck, you are too. God damn it.
R2-D2, what?
Nothing. R2D2.
Come on. I gotta find something I can use.
Alright, now where do we go from here?
I'm going out back, bro. I'm leaving a blood trail, though, unfortunately. I'm gonna heal myself. I might be being seen right now, though.
I think he's gonna see me.
Never did. That fucking hitchhiker was just waiting by the door.
Yeah, Hitchhiker players seem to love doing that.
I'm in the side yard and I see the Leatherface.
I'm in the back. I got the Hitchhiker back here.
Not sure if I've played this map. Is there... How many maps are there?
There's only 3. You definitely
Just
played
this
it.
one.
Ah, fucker. Come on. He just found me by dumb luck.
Oh, I see you get... I see.
Back in the basement. Damn it. Yay, bumped me.
I'm doing the fuse. I'm doing the fuse.
Always the Hitchhiker bump of people. Yeah. You're
Maybe.
upstairs doing the
Now I
fuse
gotta
right
find
now?
my way back in the base.
Are you
Yep.
upstairs? Oh my god.
Maybe. Maybe.
I'll wait down here.
Maybe.
I think
We
I
need to
saw
sell
the...
it.
Yeah, I think I saw the
What?
fuse door.
John- Oh
back.
god. Okay.
Yeah, here it is back here.
You got
Please.
the fuse going? Like you're mid of the puzzle?
Please do the fuse.
Kim, are
I
you
might
in the
come
middle
try to
of the
find
puzzle?
that now, but
Please do the fuse. I'm down at next
Well,
to it.
okay. There. Oh god. Is he coming back up here? No, don't come back up here. Don't come back up here.
Dude, Clayton's on the
He's coming
door.
back up here.
Yeah, I'm just
Fuck
waiting,
off.
man. I mean, I had other
Fuck
plans,
off.
but if
Yep.
I got a way out, I'll
You
take
doing the
it.
puzzle?
hey, where you going?
He's right there. Oh fuck
Are you working on
off.
the
Yo.
puzzle?
Huh?
No.
No.
Dude,
Fuck
I don't
off.
wanna...
They're right here. Oh my
I
god.
know.
Johnny's right there. That little piece of shit.
Johnny,
Oh.
I feel like I should leave. This is probably not gonna happen.
Right there. Fucking just get out of the way, dude. Just
Alright.
fucking leave.
I'm gonna leave, but not go that far right now. Look for health.
Stay hidden.
I can't
Stay
move
hidden.
because
Oh,
I'm
I
just
hear,
constantly
I
in
hear the
yellow.
fucking chainsaw. He's down here, the motherfucker.
He's leaving. Can one of you guys like distract him or something?
Kim, are you anywhere close to getting that done? Because I'm gonna just go
They,
upstairs.
they're
if not.
fucking upstairs.
Okay, I'm gonna
They're
leave.
upstairs.
Alright.
I'm gonna do it right now. Oh, I need.
I think I'll take 2 lockpicks with me.
Well, if you could get a lockpick up here, that'd be great.
No, I'm not coming up there.
Upstairs?
If I leave the basement, I am not coming up there.
Crazy bitch.
Well, he started. He
I
started
might be
unlocking
being
that
followed.
door.
I'm not sure.
So,
Yeah, that fucker again. God damn, man. Leave me alone. This is gonna be an exact fucking repeat. I should have kept my bone. Please go away. Please go away. Please go away. No! Come on!
What am I hearing? Oh, I see you. Kim, go back in the house.
What's that guy? Oh.
Kim, get that fucking fuse
Oh
going.
God, fucking grandpa! I can't. They saw me and
I'm sick of this, man.
Whoop. Ah! No! No! Fuck off! Oh God! Oh, this is the worst.
Man, I'm so
Oh my
boned. I need.
Oh, dude.
Well, they're all
Dude.
chasing after me. Oh my God! Why were you here?
Dude, I'm in the
No,
worst part
I was
of the
I was
year.
just going to go through a door to come upstairs, and as I'm about to open it, Kim burst through it with two of them chasing her.
God, you can make shit happen up there. Leatherface is still in the basement.
Oh,
He's still
God.
down here.
Apparently so is the hitchhiker and someone else.
In
They're
the
all
basement?
in the basement now.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Guys. Evan, you're on the surface. Do something.
Oh my fucking God.
Oh, Grandpa just detected me!
Evan,
Fuck!
I got no Sam. This is bullshit. Ow! Oh my God. Fuck off, Leatherface.
Dude.
Yeah, suck it. Suck it,
You guys
you
just
whore.
said they're all in the basement. I went to go in the house, and they're right in front of me.
Well, that's Dustin and Kim. Blame
Yep.
them.
It's not my fault.
Oh.
You guys
I'm
had
gonna
the faulty
die.
information.
Oh, okay.
No,
What?
fuck off, man.
I'm just trying to get myself out of here.
I'm not positive he saw me, but I think he
Where
did.
do we go?
I'm stuck in the
Yes,
side
it's my
garden.
dad.
There's no getting anywhere from here. I gotta go back in the house, basically. Unless I go
Okay.
downstairs.
I'm following you. I'm following you. Close. Behind
I
you.
alerted everything.
Oh my God, I am so far. Okay.
Damn it.
Oh fuck it.
Connie, this is a
Okay.
bad spot to be.
I know. Kim's coming too. Oh, fuck, it was the
Oh
only
my
way
shit,
out,
why
man.
y'all coming here?
It's the only
There's nothing
way.
here.
I know, it was the only way from the only
The
exit we
pressure
could
gate.
find, though.
The fucking pressure gate's here, but I don't even know where that goes to. I don't even see the fucking gate.
I know where the gate opens.
I think we're safe.
I don't think so. I think they know we're out here and they're waiting for us to walk through that fucking door.
I think they're right below us. They're right below us. Oh, that's
Someone
Julie.
needs to go step Grandpa.
That's dust.
Yeah, I'm just waiting to make my move, children.
We're all fucking here. We're so fucked.
I feel like
Yeah.
it'd be better to go back downstairs and find a different exit than to try to go through that door.
I know, because that's the only way to get. We gotta go
Especially
down this ladder.
if they know that
Dustin
all
came
four
for-
of us are
Dustin came
back
for the
here.
ladder.
We're just there. The...
Alright, Kim, make your move.
Oh,
make
was
your
that
move.
Justin who just came up there?
Dustin's being
Yeah,
bold.
I'm gonna go back upstairs.
Alright.
Do you have a lockpick?
They're both leaving.
Shit, I'm going.
We got a lockpick too.
Ah!
I got two. Okay, that's why I waited. That's why I waited. That's why I waited.
Go, go,
Oh
go,
my.
go, go, go,
Jesus
go, go, go,
Christ.
go, go, go.
Alright, she's leading my. Alright,
Oh, fuck.
alright. Once Grandpa's done, I'm gonna make a run for the front door. Kim, don't bring them back inside.
Oh,
Oh, he's
Don't
gonna
bring them
kill
back
me.
inside.
Do not run into those
think you-
bushes either.
Don't bring them back
Oh.
in. Oh shit, that's
I'm
Grandpa.
climbing down.
It's
Oh,
too
never
late.
mind. He
She
made me fall.
already did.
Oh, fuck, he killed me.
Fuck.
He killed me.
Hold on, I'm getting us out. I'm getting us out. I'm getting us out.
Run!
From which way?
The front door. The front door.
Yeah.
Just get outside, find a bush, and
I'm
hide in.
back.
Get
I'm
outside.
Oh, no.
back.
Oh no, fuck you. Fuck you.
Hide somewhere, Evan, because they know we were near Grandpa and they're going to find the door open. Alright, we need to bide some time.
Johnny's just out here in the back running around.
Well, at least he's not in the front.
Well, I'm in the back, so
I wouldn't go in.
I got a
yet.
lockpick, but I don't think I can give it to you.
It's fucking dangerous. I still have one. Johnny's circling around. They got Kim. They caught Kim. Right,
Oh, I
there's
see
Johnny.
Johnny.
God.
Yeah.
God damn.
On your screen.
I see.
I hope you don't see me.
If he finds
Oh
a
god,
track,
he's so close.
if he finds a track, just run.
Wait, he can still look for his tracks?
He can, yeah.
Oh my Jesus Christ.
Who the hell are these people?
Oh my Jesus. How recently can he find tracks?
I think it's any time.
Evan, he better not have saw you. Stop moving! Stop moving! Stop moving! Stop moving! Oh my god, you're in such a bad spot. I'm watching your back though. Oh, the hitchhiker sees
I
you.
see a gate.
Hitchhiker sees you. He sees you.
Oh, fuck off.
Yeah,
What?
please, just lead him away.
What you just said?
Just lead him. He's not even chasing you, I don't think.
Nate,
Oh wait, he
Nate
is.
Fox.
He is. He is.
That's a.
I was gonna say that.
Oh, you're going back in, are you, Evan? Hitchhiker stopped following you.
Gotta do something.
He stopped following you. I would just hang around back there if I were you.
Leather faces.
Yeah, you shouldn't have killed him.
Looking for me now.
Anybody have any idea what level Grandpa's on?
No.
He's getting up there, I think.
Yeah, he's going off a lot. And I'm making a run for the generator.
Where is it?
It's in the back, next to the
One of them
barn.
just came out the back door.
Oh, fuck.
Leatherface just came out the back door. He just went by the chicken.
Oh, no. Oh, nowhere to
He
hide.
just shut that gate.
Everybody run for the front exit, I guess.
What's the front exit? Where's that at?
Where you screwed
Back, but
yourself
I got no.
before.
Oh, shit.
Oh, Johnny
Does the
sees me.
generator work or not work?
Ah, fuck these guys. I'm not gonna be able to get... Generator's off, man. It's off. I gotta jump down the well, though. They're just gonna
Oh,
catch
it's
me.
off? Okay.
Yeah, if you can get to the end, you can get out. Fuck, there's no winning this, man. There's no winning. Maybe if I can get out back with Evan or with Dustin, maybe? I don't know.
This guy's just toying with me, man.
No.
Bad. They'll be back. I'm sure of it.
No, they turned on the power again!
No, I was just on my way out there. How many you got chasing you out there? Fuck. If the-
At least two of them, Leatherface and the Johnny guy.
Please tell me they don't see me recovering in the bush.
Oh my god. Oh my Jesus.
I think I was spotted, but I really don't know.
So dead.
Yeah, they're on me. Fuck. If my ability will come back... Oh no, the car battery's on. Fuck. Fuck it though, I'm gonna see if I can just kill myself getting shocked. Fuck you guys!
Wait, you still might make it!
I'm dragging
Oh,
this shit out!
shit.
I don't even care! I'm gonna bleed out on this guy.
Oh my god!
I robbed them! I robbed you fuckers!
Get a
You don't
little
get to
kissy
kill
with
me!
him.
You don't get to!
I love how you get knocked out
Chuckles
too.
just She had a little kissy with the... What is that one's name?
Hitchhiker. The hitchhiker.
The hitchhiker, yeah. You give him
Yeah.
some kissy kisses.
Death by bleed out, yeah. I know it was a bit of a dick move, but I'm happy to not let them kill me. Especially that fucking hitchhiker, because he ruined my plan like 3 times.